To install the Office 365, go to office365.com, click sign in, put in your details, so that'll be your work email, and if it prompts you, choose work or school account, then put in your password. On your multi-factor authentication app, which should be on your phone, allow the sign in. Then at the top right here, click on Install Office 365 Apps. Yeah. So depending on your browser, so this is Google Chrome, just choose Open when done and then follow the steps to install. Once the software is installed, it will require activating the first time you open it, and you just again sign in with your username, which is your work email, and your password, and then you're done.